Wash time. It's time to wash your hands.
It's time to wash your hands.
Let's turn on the water.
Let's turn on the water.
Wet your hands with water.
Wet your hands with water.
Put some soap on your hands.
Put some soap on your hands.
Rub your hands together.
Rub your hands together.
Scrub your fingers well.
Scrub your fingers well.
Wash under your nails.
Wash under your nails.
Don't forget your thumbs.
Don't forget your thumbs.
Wash the back of your hands.
Wash the back of your hands.
Rinse the soap off your hands.
Rinse the soap off your hands.
Turn off the water.
Turn off the water.
Use a towel to dry your hands.
Use a towel to dry your hands.
Now it's time to wash your face.
Now it's time to wash your face.
Splash water on your face.
Splash water on your face.
Put some soap on your face.
Put some soap on your face.
Rub your cheeks gently.
Rub your cheeks gently.
Wash your nose and chin.
Wash your nose and chin.
Rinse the soap off your face.
Rinse the soap off your face.
Dry your face with a towel.
Dry your face with a towel.
Let's wash your arms now.
Let's wash your arms now.
Wet your arms with water.
Wet your arms with water.
Put soap on your arms.
Put soap on your arms.
Rub your arms gently.
Rub your arms gently.
Rinse the soap off your arms.
Rinse the soap off your arms.
Dry your arms with a towel.
Dry your arms with a towel.
Time to wash your legs.
Time to wash your legs.
Wet your legs with water.
Wet your legs with water.
Put some soap on your legs.
Put some soap on your legs.
Rub your legs well.
Rub your legs well.
Rinse the soap off your legs.
Rinse the soap off your legs.
Dry your legs with a towel.
Dry your legs with a towel.
Now wash your feet.
Now wash your feet.
Wet your feet with water.
Wet your feet with water.
Rub your toes gently.
Rub your toes gently.
Dry your feet with a towel.
Dry your feet with a towel.
Time to wash your hair.
Time to wash your hair.
Wet your hair with water.
Wet your hair with water.
Put some shampoo on your hair.
Put some shampoo on your hair.
Rub your scalp gently.
Rub your scalp gently.
Rinse the shampoo out.
Rinse the shampoo out.
Use conditioner if you want.
Use conditioner if you want.
Rinse the conditioner out.
Rinse the conditioner out.
Dry your hair with a towel.
Dry your hair with a towel.
Be careful with your eyes.
Be careful with your eyes.
It's fun to take a bath.
It's fun to take a bath.
Splash water carefully.
Splash water carefully.
Use a washcloth if you like.
Use a washcloth if you like.
Let's clean your back.
Let's clean your back.
Rub your back gently.
Rub your back gently.
Rinse all the soap off.
Rinse all the soap off.
Dry your whole body now.
Dry your whole body now.
Put on your pajamas after.
Put on your pajamas after.
Brush your teeth after bath.
Brush your teeth after bath.
You did a great job washing.
You did a great job washing.
Ready for a good night's sleep.
Ready for a good night's sleep.